Hey guys, welcome back. As you see, today's video is all about unboxing this beauty, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I've shot this video like a couple of weeks ago. I think it's about 4 weeks ago, and I never had a chance to create a real video out of it just to upload it to YouTube. And today was the day, so let's dive right in. As you see, the box is very slim. That's the first thing that's noticeable. On this box, we have a very slim box compared to its previous generations, and that may be or be not a good thing. Apple states that's good for the environment. Yeah, this way they are able to ship way more iPhones on a pallet than they used to do. And as we compare it to its previous generation, this one's the XS Max, and as you see, the iPhone's like double the size of the iPhone 12 Pro. So yeah, is it a good thing? I don't know. Who am I to speak about it? Then again, iPhone or Apple is charging people for a new brick with with new shipments and new boxes, which is even bad for the environment. But hey, they may thought about it way better than I do. So the very first thing that's noticeable is this whitish color of the iPhone. It's not silver, it's very white, and I think it's more beautiful than its previous generation. It's a matte finish, so no glossy over there. We have a glossy side, which is something I don't like. It attracts a lot of fingerprints, which is something no one likes. I think Apple should go for a matte finish on the iPhone 13, obviously. The iPhone 12, though, it has a matte finish on the sides. So why not doing the same thing on the iPhone 12 Pro Max? Yeah, once again, I'm not that big to say anything about it. But that matte finish on the back is something that's gorgeous. It's very beautiful. And now let me pull that screensaver, and what we got to see is blackness, totally blackness. But that's the screen, obviously, an OLED screen. Underneath the iPhone, we see a charger port, which is something that will be eliminated on iPhone 13, I guess. And yeah, as you see, we have a beautiful device, I should say, except for those sides, for those shiny sides. But yeah, I think that's something that we should look for. And as you see right there, the cameras are bumping out. That way it can collect some dust. You just saw it. I just unboxed the iPhone in front of you guys and already has some dust collected on those cameras. So yeah, the usual drill, some books, and an ejector tool. You don't need any of those. I've just made a video on how to open your SIM card without an ejector tool. A sticker. Why that sticker? Yeah, maybe you can just attach it to your laptop or something. If you ask me, that's even more harmful for the environment. But hey, and what we see here is the cable charger, which is something that Apple does include in the box. So no charge brick, we have a cable, and no headphones. Yeah, we just should go for the AirPods, I think. And that's actually it. I don't see anything extra in the box except the iPhone, some books, and a charger. And that's it. So let's turn that iPhone and see what it gives us. Obviously, the Apple logo. I like something that I like about the iPhone even more than other devices is that you don't there's no melody at the beginning. We just see a clean, nice Apple logo. And I already turned my iPhone on. Let's go for, and now you see me typing my PIN code, which is something I need to hide, but hey, whatever. And yeah, I'm trying to adjust the brightness just that you guys can appreciate the brightness of that display. And maybe now when I see that brightness, I should have adjusted a bit lower, because now it's all brightness and that's not something that the camera loves. So what you see me doing right now is just testing how fast this iPhone is. Obviously it will be very fast, but is there any any hitches, or is the screen a bit too slow or something else? But as you see, I have many apps open and there's I don't feel any slowness or something else. The iPhone works perfectly, and I just love it. I'm very happy with the iPhone. As you see, I'm opening the camera right now and it's beautiful. I'm not testing it for you guys, just like going outside and shooting photos or anything like that, because it's just an unboxing, and I thought just give you my honest thought about this iPhone right out of the bat. Now the screen looks very beautiful. It's all black. I've chosen for a black wallpaper. Why? Because now you see all those icons without having any distortion on the background. That's something I like. I like a clean looking background, and maybe you should also go for it. I'll make a video in the near future on how to choose your background very wisely for your iPhone. So yeah, this is how the camera looks. We have the normal view, but we can also zoom in to 2.5 and even zoom out to 0.5. If you are a photographer, the 2.5 is 65 millimeter and the 0.5 is 13 millimeter. 0.5 is very wide, and the 2.5 is more zoomed in. That's actually it. It's just a basic unboxing video, and I like the iPhone very much. So unlike my previous iPhone, the iPhone XS Max, this iPhone can stand on a table. Why? Because it has sharp edges, no round edges anymore. You can just put it on a table, not that you will put it on a table on a daily basis. But hey, it looks very nice if you want to shoot a picture for your Instagram. Yeah, that's something that you should go for. I'm sorry for this distortion, but I'm putting my camera out of the overhead view just to show you guys how the stand looks like. And that's actually it for this video. I hope you've liked it. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section below. Give this video a big thumbs up. I would like to see like 100 thumbs up. That will be great. You guys will help me a lot with that. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. If you thought about giving me some feedback about how to make my videos even better, leave them in the comment section below. I read every comment you guys send me in. And I'll see you in the next video.